everybody. So we are on blizzard watch. The blizzard Juno is well on its way to Rhode Island. The governor actually has decided that we are in a state of emergency. So the snow has been falling now for a couple of hours.
Here's what it looks like outside.
I went and bought some different items like crackers and bread and hot dogs because we have a fireplace. So God forbid if we lose electricity, I'm hoping that we can light a fire and cook some hot dogs. Problem is, we don't have any firewood. You kind of need that. We got Duraflames, which are better than nothing. And what's crazy is on the Duraflame, the woman who's on it, every time I see it, like really fast, I think it's the governor because she always wears a cardigan. Like I'd be like, oh my gosh, it's the governor. Not at all. Our governor is not African American. I have asked Blake to stop and pick up firewood on his way home, and so far he has struck out. Cross your fingers. Hi. What are you eating? What are you eating? You did find the marshmallows.